Merry Christmas.
Welcome to your stage, Swindon, the UK singer-songwriter sensation, Aston Marigold!
Merry Christmas from Swindon and Wiltshire Pride.
Our town centre is the hub of the community, so having events like the Christmas Town Centre light switch on brings the community together. It increases footfall, enhances dwell time and supports our retailers.
We have everything in the shopping centre for families in the run-up to Christmas. We have quirky and exclusive independents, play areas for the little ones and the not little ones, and we've got enough restaurants to feed everyone. We also have our free grotto in the shopping centre open from now until Christmas Eve.